Have you been using the Deepseek AI app and need to contact it for support, business inquiries or general questions? Then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Deepseek AI. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Deepseek AI app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto two lines at the top left corner, just right here. Then here you can find your Google account at the bottom, just right here. Now select it. Then scroll down and here you can find the option of Contact Us. Now select it. And from now you can contact the Deepseek AI. Now tap onto Messages just right here. Now simply tap onto Contact Support. And simply you can choose from one of these. Simply tap onto one just like this. And the Deepseek AI will reach out immediately. And after that, simply tap onto Messages and ask whatever you want to ask to the Deepseek AI. And that's it. This is how you can contact the Deepseek AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.